PA Humanities launched Rain Poetry in Pittsburgh in the spring of 2024. Partnering with after-school sites Assemble in Garfield, Youth Places in Northview Heights, and YMCA Lighthouse in Homewood, teaching artist Karen Howard led youth workshops about haiku poetry.
No one was getting grades. We weren't checking for spelling. We were getting kids to write down how they feel. We went to PA Humanities commissioned me to go to 3 out-of-school places and teach the kids how to write haiku.
Our mission is to bring the humanities to people across the state any way that we can. Poetry, academics, storytelling, we do a lot.
PA Humanities then worked with artists Shane Pilster and Max Gonzales to install the poems on sidewalks and public spaces in each of the 3 neighborhoods. Some of these poems were installed using a special invisible spray that only reveals itself when you add water, making the poems appear like magic. The students wrote their own unique poems, ranging from whimsical to fantastical to thought-provoking and earnest. These special installations invited the community to discuss and reflect on the words of their young people, and taught the students that their words are important and deserve to be shared.
Darkness creeps into the night. Stars shine like the sun. Different, but still need each other.
Natural bullies and sliding gods. They are cool and rad.
Black sheep smell summer things. It's not the joy others feel.
Fluffy like soft clouds. Marshmallows melting sweetly. The taste of happiness.
Monster, a feet fades even, brings joy's 2 faces.
I see smoke rising, flames reaching up to the sky.
I was really nervous, but it felt good at the end.
It was nerve-wracking. I was stressing the whole time, but I was able to keep myself calm and not get under pressure.
It was a little nervous, but it was amazing too for everyone to hear my voice. I probably was talking a little low, but it was amazing.
All the poems are now included in a beautifully designed book, which PA Humanities gave to the project participants and poets in a celebration at the Carnegie Library branch in East Liberty.
I love to empower kids and give them a voice in any kind of form, and I love that these kids, some of them are like 4 or 5, which is awesome, and then they are able to like see their work in their neighborhood.
My students are now officially published authors, and they are excited about that prospect. All of them went around and took their books and got autographs from all the other authors, everyone who contributed. This has been a huge highlight for them, showing that they have the potential to actually become an actual author because they're already authors.
And seeing the young people stand up today, that took courage, and they shared their work because they knew that they were in a safe place and that they could get the affirmation they needed.
It really does make it all worthwhile that you can see all the poems and that the kids get to see them, and we're looking forward to doing it in other places across the state of Pennsylvania.